Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. As you guys can see, I'm in tank tops because it's pretty hot to be moving houses, and especially since Taiwan is not only humid but also pretty hot. But anyways, over the past few house moving videos, if you guys remember, if you haven't seen them, the link to the playlist will be below. And if you guys remember, over the past few days, we used the truck that we borrowed from my uncle's company to move all our big furnitures over there. So now our truck has been overdue, so we returned it to him. So now we're using our own car to move some of the small scattered stuff. But even though we don't have the truck, it is no problem because we already have all of the big furniture we need over there. The rest are either smaller or the ones that we don't need. For example, this entire pile. Of course, these aren't all ours. There are also some of our neighbors' unwanted furniture. So some beds, bookshelves, cabinets, tables, desks, and mirrors. And also this, which has a pretty cool feature that is oddly satisfying, which will be at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. And if we move on, let's start the house with the backyard. So this is our backyard. As you guys can see, it is pretty empty already. I mean, if we don't consider all of the bags that are lying on the floor, bags and boxes. So if you guys remember, there used to be a gigantic makeshift shelf here that we completely took away, and then those sinks we moved some away as well, so we won't be moving these there since they already have sinks over there. So we might discard them or sell them. Either way, we will be taking them out of this house and into another place, which is not our new house. And then moving on, we have our bedroom, which has this gigantic pile of shoes, and they are actual shoes, not just shoe boxes that we took off from our shoe shelf. And then this was my dad's closet, but he won't be needing that since we got some new ones from our aunt's old home, so we will be discarding that as well. And then that is our television, which we have not brought that there yet because last time I talked about it when we were moving our computer screens. And then this is the foundation of a bunk bed that we made ourselves. If you guys saw outside at the pile of unwanted furniture, there was a bed which used to lie on here, and this is a DIY bunk bed. But since we have 2 bedrooms in the new house, we won't be needing this, so we're gonna take it apart for a future project, or just take it apart for storage, and if we ever need it in the future. And then you guys might be noticing behind me this wooden wall, and yeah, it's just a plank of wood. We put it up by ourselves to create a bedroom space. But you guys might notice there are some like stick marks, these paper tear marks, and they all look pretty even in size. That is because this used to be a family picture wall that my mom had up here. Basically, when I was a kid, my parents would always take me outside, take some pictures. As we said, to take pictures as memories of what we did outside. So all of these pictures are the pictures that we've had over the past few years. And these are not all of them. We still have 2 entire boxes full of pictures, but we tore these off because we don't have space in the new house, and we can't destroy the new house because the landlord especially said before returning it to her, we need to have it in the original way it was. So we all have those photos digitalized, so it is not a problem to tear them off. So we tore them off, discarded of them, but the ones that were not stuck on yet, we still have them. 2 entire boxes of childhood memories. And then these are the shelves that we totally cleared out. I have actually not seen a scene like this for a long time. And then there are also some stuff that we haven't cleared out yet, some A4 paper, printing paper, etc., etc. And then moving on to our hallway. This is my dad's studio area where we used to ride bikes a lot, so we had this area. So if our bicycles broke down, if we had to do any upgrades, repairs, we would all be doing that over there. And then here we have this wall mount to mount some of the stuff, some of the bike parts, some spare parts. And now it's entirely clean. I don't think we will be bringing it to the new house because we already have enough. Have enough storage, and also I don't think we will be having enough space to put that on anyway. And then this is our living room with a bunch of stuff on the ground, but no more big furniture. So that is some good progress. We will be finishing it up with our own car, and then after we move all of these over to our new house, I will be doing a house tour of the various different rooms, and then leaving my room as the finale because, of course, my room is gonna be the most epic room of the house. Said no one ever. But anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, click the like button below, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and comment down below. I will see you guys when we have our new house finished, when we have all of the stuff to the new house. But, of course, we won't have the time to arrange it yet, so there's going to be one video before arranging and then one video after arranging. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching!